Good sleepy, dry Friday morning, everyone. Dusty as well. Allergies. Double cups of coffee this morning on this Friday, this beautiful Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, 7:03 in the morning. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith at Garden State Weather. Looking at Midtown Manhattan's cam in New York City this morning, it is a little chilly but near normal for this time of the year, 48 degrees, and sun is rising over the horizon here. Taking a look at the Brickell cam in Miami, Florida. Scattered clouds this morning. This is a beautiful cam, 79 degrees. And in Aruba, it's early in the morning, but they're getting ready to party, 81 degrees. Miami News Cafe cam, it's early. Nobody's out yet, 79 degrees. In Myrtle Beach, it's looking beautiful. Look at the sunrise here over these flat clouds this morning. 72 degrees. Everybody's just getting up now. Hillsborough Beach, Florida, 70 degrees, 79 degrees. It's gorgeous out there. In the New York Harbor this morning, it is 52. Things are calm. Our Statue of Liberty there. Columbus Circle cam in New York City. Looking good. We never did this one before. 48 degrees. Atlantic Highlands, nice and calm in the bay this morning. 43. Brentwood cam in New Hampshire. Looking beautiful and chilly. 37 degrees. Look at that sky. Once again, Midtown Manhattan. And we did all this. As I clear my throat with morning allergies, New Orleans this morning is 75 at 6:05 in the morning. People just getting there. And the street cleaners have already come through this morning. Once again, in Midtown Manhattan, it is 52 degrees and sunny. Hotel, Saranac Lake, New York, 45 this morning. Look at that sky. It's all going to be clearing out. The Trapp family in Stowe, Vermont, 46 degrees. Gorgeous. Look at that sky. Beautiful. Mulberry Street in New York City. It's quiet this morning and 48 degrees. It's early in Little Italy. Little Italy. Top of the Rock in New York City, 52 with sunshine coming up over the horizon. Newtown Creek in Long Island City, New York, nice and calm, 48 degrees. And in the Adirondacks, it's chilly and 45 in a beautiful autumn sky. Notice how most of the leaves are now gone from the trees. Charlottesville Airport cam in Virginia, 59 degrees. Beautiful. And the Ham cam, we don't like that one. The Dublin cam, our favorite one at the Temple Bar this morning. Actually, it's noontime now, 54 degrees. New Orleans Bourbon Street, we did this. And we did this. Of course, the major big story here in the Northeast and the mid-Atlantic coast states here, including all of New York City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Delaware, all of New Jersey, Long Island, southeastern New York, all of Connecticut, Massachusetts. Big idea here is that we have red flag warnings in effect, so today it's going to be a gusty day. Winds are going to start picking up out of the west at 10 to 20 miles an hour, gust up to 30. Humidity as low as 25%. Any fire that develops will catch and spread quickly. We already have a number of ongoing fires right now in southern New Jersey and as well as Pennsylvania and parts of New Jersey as well. So you do want to not burn anything outside. Back here in the weather center, skies are sunny, clear, 43 degrees, and it's chilly. Pollen is even higher today than it was the last couple of days. And that's probably also not due to only the dryness, but the wind, which right now is light, but that's going to change as the sun begins to mix with a couple of short waves moving to our north. Humidity right now is at 77%, visibility better than 10 miles, and air pressure is high. It's going to be a chillier day today, 66. It's going to feel chillier, actually, because of the wind. And then near normal temperatures, 56 on Saturday, 61 on Sunday. Any kind of rainfall will be showery, and it will be a partly sunny day on Sunday. So if you have outdoor plans on Sunday, it should not be a problem. We need some wetting rain for the topsoil and the ground, and that will occur on late Sunday night into very early Monday morning. And then skies become mostly sunny again, temperatures in the 60s, mid 60s again, similar to today. And then temperatures cool down again. The next chance of any kind of wetting, about 61%, comes in on Thursday. And this could be, again, another quarter to a half of an inch of rain. Again, something that we definitely need because we're about 8 inches below normal. And then next weekend, we go into a chillier air mass near normal temperatures again under sunshine. Right now, the temperature is 43 and it is clear. And we have no clouds in the sky right now. We have a west wind coming in out about 9 miles an hour, but this is going to freshen up now in the next couple of hours as the sun starts baking on the horizon here. The dew point is comfortable at 39, humidity 77%. UVI index is low, but it's good to be outside in the afternoon unless the wind is blowing, right? Air quality good. Pollen not good. I ought to know. 79, that's even higher than the last couple of days, and that's probably because of the wind and the dryness as well. Visibility better than 10 miles. Air pressure is high at 30.7. Sunrise this morning was at 6:36, sunset another 4:44. And the moon is now at 46%, so this looks good. And the next full moon coming up next week on November 15th. And under those clear skies this morning and light winds early this morning, even New Brunswick here at the New Jersey Meteorology Program at Rutgers University at Cooks College, the temperature dropped down a couple of more degrees in the last hour. It's now down to 39. And it's below freezing here in Walpack and Peak West and Hopewell and Sandyston, New Jersey this morning under that light wind and clear sky. Other temperatures around the region in the 50s. Other temperatures in the region this morning are basically running in the upper 20s to low and mid 30s in northwestern New Jersey, and then back into the city, about 54 right now in LaGuardia, and it's 44 in Jersey City. It's in the 40s here. Now, it did quite get down on West Hampton Beach at about 30. These are the current temperatures as of 7 a.m. this morning, and if we look at the minimum temperatures this morning, they already got down into the upper 20s and low 30s in northwestern New Jersey, like 27 in Walpack and 30 here in Sandyston, 42 here in Parsippany. So chilly start to the morning for sure. Dew points, very dry. And this drier air is going to be working in to the area throughout the day. Relative humidity is going to be high because the dew point and the air temperature are ambiently close together. That's normal for this time. Solar radiation's coming up, and that means that we're going to have lots of sunshine today. And this is early in the morning, but as we get through the afternoon, these values are going to increase because we're under mostly sunny skies. And we don't have to talk about precipitation because we've had none, but we do need some for sure. Wind speeds right now are light. I'm not sure, that might be an outlier there. And soil moisture, well, we know that's bone dry. There's nothing really on the radar that's just scattering birds or whatever, or radar echoes. Geocolor satellite, lots of clear skies across the area this morning. IR channel showing the same thing. And water vapor channel, bone dry. And there were hundreds of delays last night, and again the previous night here in the Newark area, and about an hour ago we still had delays. But right now, no delays. So that means that the staffing and the airports are running on schedule. Hopefully. Check your flights. Once again, it's getting into cold and flu season, and this is no exception. Things are increasing across most of the country on the lighter side. Cough, however, is increasing. A lot of this is due to allergies as well and the change of air temperature. Fever, again, running moderately high, and RSV as well. So, medication is going to be a concern. On another note, I take this for nasal decongestion, and they just found through decades of studies that this doesn't help against nasal congestion, but I can tell you it does. But they want to remove it from the shelves. Low-level water vapor of the national component here. Here is Hurricane Raphael. which has been strengthening and still has a lot of convection around it. We'll get into the mesoscale in just a moment and talk about this storm. We have a west wind, an upper cutoff low here in the desert southwest. It's produced traffic jams, road closures in New Mexico because of the amount of snow. And look at all the vorticity maximums rounding this and all the lightning strikes and thunder ahead of this system. So it's been quite interesting here. And of course, this is Raphael, and we have a west to northeast flow, a westerly flow atop of our area here. And let's check in with the global sectors. Let's do the global sectors here and get into shortwave. I guess we have to put these products overlays on again. Really? No, I guess we got it. Hold on. Never you mind. Never you mind. Low level water vapor channel, even upper level water vapor channel overlaid with RAP analysis. And here's our big winter storm here over New Mexico and Colorado. Here is Hurricane Raphael, and here are short waves in the northeast on this westerly flow here. So this really is not going to affect the United States. It's going to run into shear and dry air, which we can see here. And this storm is going to lift up. And there's numerous amounts of shower and thunderstorm activity. Lots of lightning strikes here. If we can get the lightning strikes on here. There you go. Both around this storm here, which is Raphael, and this upper level low here. A lot of snow here and a lot of thunderstorms. And you want to talk about snow in New Mexico here in Albuquerque, 24 inches. Hello. That's what closed the roads and the major highways and left thousands stranded. Most of that was not just was tractor trailer trucks for the most part, but you can see New Mexico and Colorado, a lot of snow. 23 inches here in Pueblo in Los Animas, Colorado. 23 inches measured. That's what closed the roads. And crazy, right? 36 inches here in New Mexico. Yes, it's true. Well, we just stated that Newark didn't have any, delays, but now it's showing up that they do. A staffing once again. In the aviational department, we have small craft advisories. Well, actually, no, we have problems here in the Northeast as well as Maine, but then we've got tropical storm or hurricane. This is a hurricane, Raphael. I need more coffee. Winter storm watches here in effect for New Mexico and as well as Arizona here. New Mexico actually and Colorado. Thunderstorm watch boxes here in Texas and up through Oklahoma as well. And of course, the 6 to 10 day temperature, 6 to 14 day temperature nationally across the nation. It's going to be colder in the western United States and warmer from the continental divide to the eastern United States. And that trend continues through the 8 to 14 day period. Precipitation is going to be greater in the western United States and the central plains, very dry and near normal in the eastern United States, and that trend continues, and it's just going to get wetter in this area, but not here. And just as there are numerous erroneous balancing act in model guidance on not only Raphael, but the whole weather pattern in general, and precipitation along the mid-Atlantic coast here in the next 10 to 15, 20 days. It's chaotic. The model guidance is just chaotic, and it just doesn't, really know what to do with all of these features here. This one is Raphael, and basically, It's out over the ocean, and this is the new cone right now that we just showed you. Let's see if we can show you that. It's a cone of moving in any direction here, but away from the United States. And then, still has a storm, hurricane again, then a depression by Wednesday. So this is ultimate confusion as well. Now, if you're a shipper in the Gulf, this is the only thing you should be concerned about because it is a Cat 3 storm right now, but it's going to run into the dry shear that we just showed you. The storm is still trying to figure itself out. It's trying to maintain intercenter here with thunderstorms wrapped around the center, diminishing a little bit this morning. Its outflow looks good. It's diffused. Let's look at the shortwave channel here. You can see the same kind of thing. And lower level water vapor here, it's trying to maintain itself, but there's just so much dry air and shear to the west of this. So it should stay away from the United States for the most part, but swells from this storm will still be great along the Gulf Coast and Mississippi Valley during the next couple of days. Outside of Raphael right now, we really don't have anything going on in the Atlantic right now. There's just a 20% chance of this disturbance becoming anything near the Greater Antilles over the next 7 days. Eastern Pacific is quiet right now. Central Pacific also quiet. Forecast charts here show that upper low near the Big Bend here of Texas and Oklahoma here. Showers and thunderstorms ongoing on the east side, and snow to beat the band like by inches, feet in Colorado and New Mexico by this afternoon. And all of this is actually going to increase the chances of snow on the northwest side of this storm as we head into the overnight hours and Saturday. And that's just going to lift up because high pressure is in control over the eastern United States. And we can see all of this action as that storm moves into the Great Lakes and eventually Canada, brings a drier cold front through here on Sunday night and Monday. So even the wetting that comes on Sunday night and Monday is not going to be that great. Okay, it's going to help you a little bit for the firefighters, but not that much. Then another cold front comes through with another high pressure ridge building in on Tuesday across the Michigan area. It's dry cold front. High pressure is in control again. Here comes another storm, from the Pacific Northwest here. Get up to the Great Lakes. Drives a warm front through with some showers on Wednesday night and Thursday morning. And then, boom, nothing again. Aviation, VFR conditions, scattered clouds at 25,000 feet, and west to northwest winds increasing to 15 knots, gust up to 25 knots. This morning, tonight, VFR conditions, scattered clouds, northwest winds at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 20, diminishing late tonight. VFR, northerly winds at 8 to 12 knots on Saturday and Sunday and Monday, a period of sub-VFR conditions, probable along with showers, mainly later Sunday night into early Monday morning, and this is really not that significant. On the marine deck, we have northwesterly winds and small craft advisories in effect for today. Small craft advisories for tomorrow. A period of small craft advisories possible on Sunday and Monday, especially with wind gust Sunday night into Monday. And then that's it. Fire weather, we already know where we're going here. And we're up to about 40 to 41 days now without measurable precipitation across the region. And the ongoing drought just continues here. Now, we're in Ocean County, and we're in Burlington County, and we're in Atlantic County. Now we're extreme drought here. Everybody else is pretty much in moderate to severe drought. And as the ocean waves come in here in Asbury Park, New Jersey, there's a lot of runners on the beach this morning. And my Chinese proverb says, today it's up to you to create the peacefulness you long for. And I think that is universal. So think about your peacefulness today. Here's the Sunset Pier cam in Naples, Florida. And it's early in the morning. It's 73 degrees. And there's a gentleman sitting on this park bench pondering the same thing that every human being is pondering this morning. Peace. Well, that's his wife. He was waiting for his wife. There you go. We're all waiting for something. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel on Garden State Weather at YouTube and on Twitter at Garden State WEA. And if you wanted to be added to Garden State Weather on WhatsApp, just look us up, give us a shout out, and you'll be added. Enjoy your Friday, everybody.